welcome to my channel. Today we will be working on example number 7. It is very similar to example number 6, and I'm gonna do number 7. It's like redoing number 6 again, but the reason I'm doing this in details is because I want to make sure you understand how to use rotate. So I click on line, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do a 13 units and 5. Escape, click on line again. I'm going to go 5 units up, escape. Now I'm going to draw a line from here straight up 5 units. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Draw a line straight up 5 units. I'm going to click on the line that I just drew, and I'm going to type RO on my keyboard for rotate. Click enter. Click the base point I need to rotate it from. I'm going to go counterclockwise, so I'm going to go ahead and do a positive 45. Click on the line again. Type RO for rotate. Click the baseline that you need to rotate it from, and this time negative 45 because you're going clockwise. And just connect them together. And there we have it. I will see you on the next video.